So, lots of places right now, this time of year, are starting to get these cheap plastic masks. And maybe you like them. Spirit Halloween right now has a line of classic monsters that are very Ben Cooper style like this. And I just want to display them. So this is how I'm going to do that. And then I'll do a couple like modifications or whatever and show you guys that also. But this is how the plastic mask comes. And let's make it cooler. And there's got to be a better way to hang it on the wall than this strap. You know, I guess that would work, but not good. I want to make note that I'm cutting inside of the line. I'm not cutting on the line, I'm cutting inside of that line. When you trace something, you're always making it a little bit bigger because you're going on the outside of it and you have the width of the marker to worry about. I have a hot glue gun here. Any hot glue gun will work. Let's kick the art up a notch and let's put some eyes in it. These are okay. You can get these at Spirit themselves and glue these into the back. But I have another type of eye that I like even better. These little eyes I get from Amazon, and they're paper backed and they're glass cabochons. And I get like a bunch of different sizes. They come in a variety pack. And I buy those quite a bit from Amazon. So I'm going to put these in here. I thought this green color contrasted well with the rest of his paint scheme, and that would look nice. So let me get it set up for that. So I just used the hot glue right around the edge of that eye in order to soften this thin plastic a bit. And then I'm just using my finger to very carefully work that opening just a touch larger so it works for the eye. A little more glue. That is how we will set the eye in place. That is warming up that plastic. And now I can just push that with my finger a bit, and I'm pushing from the other side. So I'm not even touching the glue. See, my finger is clear of glue. I'm just opening up that opening a little bit. They're very small openings. And that heat is just enough to do the trick. That's it so far. Doesn't that look nice? Yeah. Also want to fill in that area around the eye with the black hot glue. And I'm going to put a barrier on there of masking tape. And now I have a little well on each side of that eye. See how this eye you can see through to the other side. This eye you can't because there's that blue tape there. I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of this black hot glue into there. Now you can put regular hot glue in and then just paint it. Hot glue takes acrylic paint just fine if it's not moving. If it has to flex, then the paint won't hold. Okay, imagine I have a popsicle stick. Imagine yourself pushing back like a cuticle from a fingernail, and you're just going to push that hot glue to where you want it. It's going to slide off of that glass eye really easy. Because unless it's specially formulated, most hot glue doesn't hold to glass very well. So that is my eye all glued in with the black around it. It has the same kind of drama that fits with the rest of the mask, but that color does make it nice and stand out. Let's do the other eye. Let's put the cover back on and hang him back up looking cooler than he did before. This isn't something that has to flex. Alright, so now what I can do is I want to kind of find a nice center point here. We'll leave this as the very top and center of the mask. Come down about an inch or so. And let's make a hole that we can cut out, drill out, to attach this to a wall. This is overkill, but I use these for drilling holes in EVA all the time. You could use a Dremel, you could use a soldering iron, you could use anything to make this little hole. He has a lot more drama and presence hanging up there on the wall. And simple, but you know, it's a nice bonus to something that kind of already exists. And you can pop any eyes you want into there from the back side and then hang it up. It looks nice. Halloween as art. Hooray.